go to the beach! Let's go, Rexy!
Want to bury each other in the sand!
Rexy and the Trixie!
Let's explore the wild side! Let's chase the fun wherever it goes! Let's go to the beach! And build the biggest sandcastle ever! Ah! Let's go, Rexy!
Okay, I'm ready, Trixie.
It need a moat! Help! I live here now! This is so much fun, Rexy, right?
I know, right? I'm really enjoying it too.
Well, that lasted 5 seconds!
Want to bury each other in the sand!
Only if I get the lucky sock hat! This is Sir Snips now! Well, that lasted 5 seconds!
Want to bury each other in the sand!
Only if I get the lucky sock hat!
Rexy and the Trixie!
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it with your friend, and subscribe for more.